Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Jura Impressa Z6 with us in the shop. And I came in for quite a few things, but mainly being that it had an error code on boot up, which is usually because the machine has, after a few years of using the machine just, constantly, or even one or two shots a day, after a year or so, it starts leaking out coffee through the gaskets. So gaskets do need a service about every 2 years. And when it builds up to quite a bit, the brew unit, right on boot up, try to move into its respective places to hit its micro switches. If it can't, it will completely turn off the machine, give you usually an error 8, and yeah, you wouldn't be able to get to brewing. And so after the coffee buildup, it will just not let the machine run. And so we opened up the machine, looked inside, and there was quite a lot of coffee in there, so we cleaned it all out, made sure it was all working, serviced the brew unit, and then put it back together. But when we did put it back together, there was an issue with the little plunger that's on the bottom release valve. And so this plunger is all supposed to be one piece. As you can see, you could take this off though, because the plastic had cracked. You can kind of see it. It's a little blurry, but it's not supposed to come off, and so we replaced it with a new one and fixed it. And then after that, we did replace the water pump on the machine. Here is your water pump right here, the older style from, I believe, 2010 or 2006. I think it's a 2010 type of pump. And so yeah, we replaced that also, and just did an overall deep cleaning and servicing on your brew unit, replacing all the gaskets that needed to be replaced, descaling the machine, and also deep cleaning the spouts. I did have to remove the spouts entirely because it was so very much clogged to where even if I did cleaning cycles, it wouldn't let coffee get into the spouts. And so I had to take the whole spout system off, run it underwater, soak it, get all the really big pieces of coffee out, and yeah, now we're here. So we're just going to quickly test a one shot, just because we have a little tiny cup down here. And we're just going to test that, and then test the steaming, and then the hot water, if it does have a hot water. I believe it does. Besides that, yeah, we're just going to make sure everything works. See, you're going to get a few drops, a few couple seconds, just because water is going through that little hose, and you should be getting a good coffee out. We are using old coffee, so don't worry about the crema on the shot. It's just, when you get older coffee, you start losing a lot of that. I'm probably going to stop it prematurely just so we don't overspill. Right there. Cool. Perfectly stopped right there. We're just going to move that to the side. And we're going to hit this button for the hot water. It's going to come out of this spout right here. As you can see, working well. Turn that off, and then all we're going to do is hit milk foam. I think it's going to make an actual shot, so we're going to get us a... There you go. You might be able to just cancel it after the seam's done. But yeah. And it's going to make another shot out of here. There you go. I believe I was able to cancel it before it created it. Cool. Alrighty. It saves us a little bit of time. But besides that, everything is working. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.